Hi. As you all know that yesterday the Indian stock market has corrected by around 1700 points. Now there is an opportunity. Invest your surplus money today. A prime moment to take advantage of dips in the stock market. If you have been waiting to invest your surplus money, now is the time to consider investing in mutual funds. Market corrections offer a chance for the fund manager to buy quality stocks at a lower price, giving your money the potential to grow when the market rebounds. Now, don't miss out on this opportunity to build your future wealth. Act now and make your money work harder for you. So, as you all know that corrections are temporary, growth is permanent in the stock market. Yes, I repeat it. Corrections are temporary, growth is permanent in the stock market. To make investments, you can consult your financial advisor or you can call us also on our numbers 9980012790. Happy investing. Thank you.